Hey nail babes, and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing an unboxing / review and swatching on the BEETLES gel nail polish kit that we did go ahead and receive. So I'm really excited to be going ahead and unboxing it. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do tips and no videos like I said here in this video. I will be going ahead and unboxing it, swatching it, letting you guys know more on the product. And also, if you guys are new, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload. I'm really excited to be going ahead and trying out BEETLES. I always see and hear good things about them, so I'm really excited about it. So here, as you can see, it does come sealed. So I will be going in with my gold vintage scissors to unbox it and take off the little plastic film. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my social media, as well as any discount codes, as well as do not forget to check out for any of my latest videos. They will be linked down below, as well as right here in the corner, so check that out if you guys haven't yet. And also, if you guys are interested in this gel polish kit, I will make sure to link it down below, so make sure to check it out. But here, as you can see, this is what it looks like. So it does have BEETLES. I love the packaging. This is super cute. Like, they included like little nail polishes, nippers, scissors, toe separators, little sparkles. That's super cute. So this is the Glamour Games set, which it does contain 20 gel polishes. Here on the side, it has all the ingredients for the base, the top, the matte, and the colors. Here in the back, it does say be bold, be me, be BEETLES. That's super cute. Like I said, I love the packaging, the colors that they use. In the package, it does include color gels, base, top, and matte. And then they are low order. 9 toxin free gel. Obviously, you have to stay away from the fire, and it is a quality resin. Here on the other side, it does have their Instagram as well as their website, which I will make sure to go check it out. And then here at the bottom, it does have the direction, how to store it, the warnings for it, what to do with it. So yeah, I'm really excited to be going ahead and seeing what these colors look like. So I will be going ahead and opening it here, which is super cute. So once you open it, it says, hey there, gorgeous. And then it does have some little tips here. So it says, stir the gel polish with a cat brush before use. And then it says, avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin, which obviously. So it does come in this little cute box, which, oh my god, that is super cute. Look at this. So it does come in this container that it does say BEETLES, and every gel polish fits perfectly nice. This is cute. I've never seen a brand do something like this. Obviously, it is plastic, I believe, but girl, I'm gonna put this in a drawer and I don't have to worry about having to find a place for it. All you really have to do is put it inside a drawer. I feel like this is so cute, and it comes in handy because you have the whole collection together, so you don't have to worry about finding a color. You don't have to separate the collection unless you want to do like color order like me, but I'm definitely going to be keeping this together. So this is super cute. So here it does have the little compartments for the gel, and then here it has the bigger compartments for the matte top and matte polish and base. So this is super cute. So again, it says BEETLES, it's black. And as in for the packaging of the bottles, they are black as well. This is the BEETLES top coat, so it's black. It has the little ladybug, which is so cute. And these bottles contain 7.5 ml. The actual colors, these are so cute. So these are more like matte, which I like. These are really small though. So this one is 5 ml. And I love that the colors are at the top as well as with the numbers. So love that. So we have top, we have matte top, and last but not least we have base, which I wonder if this is thick since it does say foundation. But like I said, it does come with 20 colors, your top, matte, and base. So now I will be going ahead and swatching all of these with you guys. Okay, so I will be going ahead and swatching all the polishes that you see here and going in with my clear swatch sticks. I will make sure to link them down below, so check down below in the description if you guys are interested in any of the products that I use. And I will also be going ahead and using my nail lamp, so I will be going ahead and swatching them. And also, as you can see, they do have a different range of colors and glitters. So as you can see here, this one is B518, and this is really pretty glitter, super nice. So I am going to be going ahead and swatching all of them going in rainbow order because why not? So as you can see, it does have some glitters, some like really light colors, which I cannot wait to swatch. So let's get started. They are definitely super pigmented. This is one swatch with the red, and it is pretty nice. I only carried it for 45 seconds underneath my lamp, and I absolutely love this red. It's super bright. Definitely love it, and I definitely love the formula as well. So let's keep on swatching.
Hair go long like Chia, money go long like Nia. I ain't in the big idea. My twins big like Tia. My twins big like Tia Tamara. Wait, Tia Tamara. Wait, Tia Tamara. Wait, Tia Tamara. Hair go long like Chia. Money go long like Nia. I am the big idea. My twins big like Tia. My twins big like Tia Tamara. Wait, Tia Tamara. Wait, Tia Tamara. Wait, Tia Tamara.
Okay, so as you can see, this is what all the colors look like. I did try to stand them, but it is going to be a little hard to see. But like here, perhaps we have this pink one. Here we have all the different pretty shades. They are definitely pigmented. Like they are really nice colors too. I noticed that like I don't think I have this glitter, and that is so pretty. These are super cute. I love the pink that it has. This like really pretty pink tone is super cute. Here we also have some purples. Like this glitter is so pretty. Love it. Here we have another one, pink, a baby blue. This one's super cute. I love this green. This is so cute for the spring. This yellow, and these oranges, and this nice big bright red. I really enjoyed all of these colors. These are super nice. These are perfect for your collection, whether you guys are starting, or this is like a perfect collection for all year round, I feel. And obviously it does also come with the base gel, the matte coat, and also the top coat. And I love this little cute plastic case, easy for storage as well. Definitely comes in handy. And if you guys liked it too, make sure to check down below in the description so that you guys can go ahead and go get your hands on it as well. But here, as you can see, this is what it looks like. I love the range of color and glitter. So like I said, this is perfect for your collection. I definitely love this collection. Super cute. A nice collection of 20, and this is the Glamour Games collection. Super excited to be going ahead and using it further on in my nail designs. But I definitely loved all these beautiful colors. Nicely pigmented, nice formula. I definitely liked it. Cured very nicely as well. So I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my social media. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. And also do not forget to check out any of my latest videos. They will be linked down below as well. Like I said, also the link to this collection, check it out. I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.
Rico, you so nasty. I said thank you very much.